Yeah, sir.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Beta. We have done business letters.
Yes, ma'am.
Which kind of letters have we done? Letters placing orders and
Ma'am, complete letter.
very good. Complaint letters and letter of inquiry. Yes.
No, ma'am.
Three types of business letters, Beta. Complaint letters, placing orders, and inquiry letters. Okay, today we'll be doing a bit of grammar. From many days, we are doing only writing section. Let's do grammar. Following passage have not been edited. There is an error in each of the line against which the blanks is given. First, we need to find out the incorrect word in the line and then underline the correct word which has been supplied. So the first one, if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are there. 4 minutes are sufficient. 30 seconds enough for an answer.
Yes,
Plan
ma'am.
your answers. Just orally plan your answers. Don't write them as of now. We will write only once answers are discussed. Otherwise, in your notebooks, you'll write the wrong answers. It is no point. So first we'll just plan the answers, then we'll discuss the answers, and then I'll give you time to write 1 minute or 2 minutes. Only one word answers have to be written for this. We don't have to write the entire sentences. Whenever we write, we will only write what? We will only write the correct answers. As of now, your time starts. Please find which is the incorrect word and correct word. Let's see how much you can do and how quickly. Editing.
Ma'am,
Those who
done.
finished, raise your hands. Those who finished, raise your hands so that we can discuss. Only one hand, never mind. Only Ayush has raised his hands. We'll wait for others. Let me see. Only Ayush Singh. Anya Gupta, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, let me check out Abhinav Pandey. Abhinav, good morning.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Anand Kumar, good morning. Who is this? Anand? Is he your classmate?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Invisible man. Anand Kumar, you know some Jadu Vadu? You are invisible. Deepshikha. Deepshikha
ma'am.
Singh. Okay, you're there. Fine. Malay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Hali is answering. Where is Malay? Is he there?
He is here only.
He is? Acha, Malay is not there. Only Suhali is there. Fine. It's okay. I should know, na Nikhil?
Yes, ma'am.
Nikhil is there. Vishesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Vishesh is there. And Yadvendra?
Yes, ma'am.
Yadvendra is there. He is answering. Fine. Nikhil has already answered. Only Anand is not there. Anand Kumar is missing. Charlie, let's see. Can we start? Tell me. Hardly any people knew English in our village. Which is the wrong word? First wrong word, then correct word.
On. Ma'am, on.
Ma'am, we have to
Okay,
write
ma'am.
only the correct one in the notebook, na?
Abhi nahi beta, when I'll discuss the answers, that time we'll write. In place of on, it should be
In.
the village headman was the first to send his son to the
Ma'am,
city.
sent. Ma'am,
Sent.
sent.
Yes. Sent is the wrong word. What should be the correct word?
Ma'am,
Sent.
send.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
send, yes.
And when he come back,
Ma'am, when he came back.
very good. When he came back, he used several English words at his conversation. Several English words at his conversation. What is wrong?
Ma'am, in his conversation.
Very good.
Ma'am, the screen is not visible.
Yes, ma'am, screen is not visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. In his conversation. At his conversation is wrong. What is the correct answer?
In his, ma'am,
his
screen, yes,
conversation.
ma'am, no, it is.
In
In his
conversation.
conversation.
Okay, let's move on to the next one. The people in the village look baffled because they did not understand.
Ma'am, as they didn't understand.
No, we cannot add words. We have to just correct words. We cannot add beta. Tell me, what is the wrong word here? It's look. I've given you a clue. Tell me then what should be the correct answer? In place
Looked.
of look,
Ma'am,
it should
looked.
very
Looked.
good. Looked. Perfect. It is looked. L-O-O-K-E-D. Yes. Sometimes hilarious situations were created because of this.
Ma'am, caused. Ma'am, caused.
No.
Ma'am
Oh,
was.
no. Very good. It is written situation, singular. So we cannot use were. In place of were, it should be
Was.
was created because of this. But the headman felt very proud about his son.
Ma'am, very.
Yes. Proud about his son.
Ma'am, very.
No. About is the wrong word. Can you tell me what is the correct word?
On.
Of. Proud of. Always which preposition is used with proud? Of. Very proud of his son. Is it okay for all?
Okay, ma'am.
Now please put on today's date. Put on the heading editing. What is the word we'll put? Heading? Editing. E-D-I-T-I-N-G. Please put on the heading editing. Yes, editing. Have you put the heading? Today's date
Yes,
and the
ma'am.
heading will be
Yes,
editing.
ma'am.
Okay. Then put the next heading, paragraph 1. Put the first heading, children, paragraph 1. Done?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now do one thing. On the left, make 2 columns. Write incorrect word. And on the right side, write correct word. Incorrect word, correct word. I'll help you in writing, don't worry. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's write. So first one, left side we'll write on. What is it that you're going to write? On. What will you write? On. Incorrect word is on. And what is the correct word?
In.
In.
Very good. So on, in. Come to the second one. Incorrect is sent. S-E-N-T, sent. Which is the correct one?
Send.
Send. Very good. Third one is come. Incorrect is come. You tell me what is correct.
Came.
Came. Very good. It is came. Fourth, the wrong word is at. At. Which is the correct word?
In.
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 Good. Fifth, the wrong word is look. Correct word?
Looked.
Looked. L-O-O-K-E-D. Looked. Sixth, were. Were is the wrong word. W-E-R-E, were. What should be the correct word?
Was.
Was. Seventh again, were is the wrong word. W-E-R-E, same, were. And again, the correct answer is
Was.
was. The last one is about. Eighth one is about. What is the correct word?
Oh.
Off.
Of. Finished writing, all of you? This work
Yes,
has
Yes,
to be
ma'am.
posted on the group. See, remember those who are not doing their work now, once the school opens, you'll have to sit and copy everything because notebooks have to be maintained. There is no choice in this. So I would suggest you better start maintaining your notebooks. Good children. Okay, let's move on to the second paragraph. Don't write the answers. I'll help you to write answers like I did now. You simply try and solve. Chalo,
Ma'am, we
the
have
time
to write
starts
the
now.
paragraph also.
No, you don't have to write the paragraph, beta. If you write paragraph, then in one period we will be able to do only one.
Ma'am, we
Only
just have to write the answers.
Yes, just the answers. This PDF I'll post on the group after the classes. You don't write the paragraph, just write the answers. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Orally now, orally, try the second paragraph. I'll discuss the answers. Yes, Peter. Raise your hands, those who've done. Let me see. 2 hands. Ayush and Anya. Okay, one more. Very good. Dhananjay is also finished. Nikhil has also finished. Good. I think we can start discussing. Chalo, tell me. Let's start. It is all parents' sincere desire to keep their children. Yes, what is the answer? Guess, children, what is the answer?
Sincerely.
It is all parents' sincere desire to keep
Ma'am,
their.
all.
Hmm?
Ma'am, keep.
Yes, all is the wrong word. Very good. Which is the correct word?
The.
It is the parents' sincere desire. Very good. We can take the as well. It is the parents' sincere desire to keep their children healthy and happy, but at spite of all efforts.
Ma'am,
What
at
is wrong?
At.
Very good.
At.
At is wrong. What is the correct answer?
the
No.
On.
No.
In.
In spite of. We say na in spite of. We never say at spite of. We say in spite of coming to my house, he went there. So spite of ke sath always which preposition goes? In spite of.
In.
In spite of. So not at spite of, it should be in spite of. So at is the wrong word, in. Children are bound to fall ill sometimes. They may suddenly have a high temperature.
Are.
No. Sometime is the wrong word. What should be?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Very good. It should be sometimes. Very, very good. Sometimes. They may suddenly have a high temperature, complain for a stomach ache. Complain is the wrong word. What it should be?
Complaints.
Sorry, for is the wrong word. For is the wrong word. Tell me what should be there in for?
Of.
Of. Very good. Complain of a stomach ache or catch chicken pox because no apparent reason.
ma'am, because
What it should be?
ma'am, that I don't know.
Guess. Complain of a stomach ache or catch chicken pox
Ma'am,
because no
are
apparent reason. Hmm?
And reason.
are
Reason.
Hmm. Yes, we can take
Reason.
R over here. We can take that would go. It is important that the parents keep their cool in the event of the child fall ill. There the spelling is wrong. There. What it should be?
ma'am, THEIR.
Yes, it should be THEIR. Good. Their cool in the event of the child fall ill. Fall is the wrong word.
Health.
Yes. The parents keep
Well.
their cool at the event of the child falling. No, falling ill. Falling. Most children quickly return to normal before a brief illness. Before is the wrong word. How can they become normal before illness? They will become normal after illness. Ah, you got the correct answer. After illness. So this was a little difficult one. So let's start writing together. Write paragraph number 2. Paragraph 2. What was the wrong word? All. Write down the correct word. What is the correct word, children?
The.
The. Next. At. Second
In.
wrong word is at.
In.
Very good. It should be in. What was the third wrong word?
Sometime.
Sometime.
Very good. Sometime. What should be the correct word?
Sometimes.
Yes, beta, right. Sometimes. In place of sometime, make it sometimes. Next. For is the wrong word. What? Yes, what is the correct word then?
Off.
Off. Very good. Off. Yes, what is the wrong word?
Because.
Yes, because. What is the correct word?
Are.
Are.
Are. Yes. Next wrong word is there. There. What should be the correct word? There.
There. H-I-R. I-R.
Their. Very good. Next wrong word is fall.
Falling.
Yes, it is falling. The last line, before is wrong. So which is the correct answer?
After.
After. Very good. After. This was a little tricky one, but the good thing is you could do it. Okay, how many blanks were there in this also? 8?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we put on the heading paragraph 3, but we'll not write anything. We'll just plan the answers orally. Please see paragraph 3. Atul Yadav is in your class?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
There is no Atul Yadav. Aditi Srivastava?
No, ma'am.
Fine. Orally plan the answers for the third. Those who finished, raise your hands. Let me see how many hands. 3 as usual. Okay, let us do. Anger is an emotion experienced through all of us.
Anger.
What is the wrong word?
Anger.
True.
Through. Very good. Through is the wrong word. Then what is the correct word?
By all of us.
By all of us. Excellent. The wrong word is through. The correct word is by. It can affect our lives, health, and relationships.
Ma'am, lives.
What it should be?
Life.
Very good. It can affect our life, L-I-F-E, over a negative manner. Over is the wrong word. Which is the correct word?
From.
No,
From.
no.
In.
Yes, very good. In a negative manner. What it should be? In a negative manner. Anger can even lead for violence.
Can.
Yes.
Can.
Lead to violence.
Two leads.
Lead to. It is not for. What is the answer? Lead to violence. It harms us more than it harms others. Then is wrong. What should be the correct answers? Yes.
From.
No, then is the wrong word. Then. So what is the correct word?
Even.
No, then is wrong, beta.
Ma'am, then THAN.
Very good, very good. Than. Very good. Than. Often anger has led to words and acts that are regret later. Regretted. The word regret is wrong. It should be
Regretted.
regretted. Anger management is important to making living peaceful. Living peaceful.
Life.
Life.
Life. Very
Live.
good. It should be life peaceful.
Life.
Not only for ourselves and for others too. And is the wrong word.
Ourselves.
And is the wrong word.
Or. Or.
But for others too. In place of and, it should be but.
But.
Okay, but. Let's start writing. We'll do it together. The first sentence, the wrong word is through. Yes, the wrong word is through. So what is the correct word?
By.
By.
By. Very good. Second, the wrong word is lives. What it should be?
Life.
Okay, lives. Next, over. Over is the wrong word.
In.
In.
Yes. Anger can even lead for. For is the wrong word.
To.
Yes, yes. What is it?
To.
Good. Then the next line, then is the wrong word. THEN. Which is the correct word?
THAN.
Than. Next, regret is the wrong word.
Regretted.
Yes, very good. Regretted. Next is anger management is important to making life, living. What is wrong?
Making.
Living. I'm making. A living.
Yes, beta. It is life. Living is wrong. And in the last sentence, and is wrong.
But.
What it should be? But. Very, very good. It should be but. Let's do one thing. Last paragraph, let us do it together. Sat karte and you can write also. Should we start? Write paragraph 4. We don't have that much time. We just have 7-8 minutes. So we'll do one thing. Okay. Should we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's start. Let's do it together. The history of credit cards can be traced back to the 1950. First line. You can do it with me only. You can start writing together. The history of credit cards can be traced back. In place of can, it should be is.
Should.
You can take could also. That would also go. That's also fine. Could be traced back would also go. Yes.
Now what is the wrong word?
Can, beta. Okay. Written the first one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's continue then. Back to the 1950s, in Uncle Sam's land, buy discount cards. In is the wrong word.
On.
No. In is the wrong word. Which is the correct word? At.
To.
At Uncle Sam's land. Change this. At Uncle Sam's land. By discount cards hitting the market first. Taking a cue for their success. This is again a difficult one for you. Discount cards hitting the market first. Taking
Ma'am,
a cue. Yes. In place of? Yes. Tell me. Third sentence. What do you find wrong? By discount cards hitting the market first. Taking a cue for their. For is the wrong word. It should be off. Of their success, not for their success. It should be of their success. Clear? Taking a cue of their success, a club called Dinners launched the first credit card. Launch is the wrong word. Tell me which is the correct one.
launched.
Very
Launch.
good. Launched is correct. Perfect. In place of launch, it should be launched. They first launched the first credit card, which was limited to the upper segment in society. Segment is wrong. No, sorry. In is wrong. In is wrong. Tell me the correct word.
Of.
Yes, very good. It is of society. Upper segment of society. Very nice. Later, two companies named Visa and Master really bought this concept. Latter is the wrong word.
Yes, ma'am. Later.
Yes, it should be later. Very good. Later, two companies named Visa and Master really brought this concept to the people in general. In is wrong. People in general or people at general?
Ma'am, at.
Yes, correct this. And today the world is flooded with their cards.
Flooded.
Very good. Excellent. It is flooded. Let's have a review. Let's check. Tell me the incorrect word in the first one.
Can.
Good. Second one. No, sorry.
In.
Can the correct word could be? Let's have the correct word also.
Could.
Traced back. Trace can become traced also over here. Second line. Yes. At. In is the correct word. In is the correct word. What is the correct word?
At.
Very good. Tell me the third one, which is the incorrect word.
Or.
Yes. For is the incorrect and the correct is off. Okay, fourth one. Let's do one by one. Fourth, one by one. Fourth, which is the incorrect word? Launch. So which is the correct one? Which is the correct one?
Launched.
Launch. Very good. Let's come to the fifth one, which is wrong.
In.
Yes, in is wrong. It should be
Of.
off. In the next line, which is wrong?
Latter.
Yes, latter is wrong. What should be the correct answer?
Later.
Later. Then next line, what is the answer?
In. At.
Yes, in is the incorrect word and the correct word is at. And last line, which is the incorrect
At.
word?
Flood. Flood.
Yes, flood. What is the correct word?
Flooded.
Flood. Very good, it is flooded. Please post on the group, children. Start posting on the group, all of you. Let me check. That's all we have done for today. Hardly 1.5 minutes left for the class to get
Ma'am, I
over.
have
All
seen.
of you?
Ma'am, I have
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have seen.
Please post on your group with your names, everybody.
Yes, ma'am, seen.
Yes, Bacha, I'm checking. Today's date. Editing. How many paragraphs? 4 paragraphs we have done? We have done 4 paragraphs. Children. Quickly. All of you, please post. Hardly a minute left for the class to get over.
Ma'am, done posting.